Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to take long exposure photo. So at first open your camera app and make sure that live mode over here is active, so just click here to turn it on unless it is active. Now let's grab some long exposure photo smoothly by tapping on photo. Now let's go back to gallery. And here in the left upper corner, you will notice the options, so smoothly unroll them and select long exposure. And here it is. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.